Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change your Instagram profile name. Your Instagram account has a name that you can change. How do you do that? It's very simple. You go to your page and click Edit Profile. If you have a professional profile, the button will be a little lower. You click here, and here you see the item username. Click here, and we change our name. You can change it once in 14 days. We delete the old name and write the new name here. If the name will already be used by someone else, you cannot change the name. You have to choose an original name that was not already there. Then you click Done, and then you are back to your page. The name will be updated. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.